Here we have Tech Team's number 882 sofa and sectional furniture connector set. It consists of 2 pair of connectors so that you can get a really good, secure connection between your pieces of furniture. A package of the appropriate screws is included with the set. For the best results, use both pair of connectors to connect your furniture. At the end of this video, we have a little animation that's going to show you exactly how these things go together, attached to your furniture, and how you use them. Here we're showing the connector as it comes right out of the package. And here we're showing it as we have the base plate rotated slightly. This base plate can rotate a full 90 degrees. And this gives you access to the screw holes so you can make a real good connection to the bottom of your sofa. In addition, if you have this attached to the bottom of your sofa and you're not using it, you can rotate this part a full 90 degrees so it's out of the way and doesn't become an obstacle. The alligator here end with the teeth engages the other part by simply ratcheting onto it so you can push the 2 halves of furniture together and get a real solid connection. One of the ways to disconnect your furniture is to pull back on these levers here, and it just opens up the teeth. See that? And now you can separate the 2 halves. Another way to separate the halves is simply to lift the one side of the furniture, and bingo, pops right out. No matter how you look at it, these are an efficient, sturdy way to connect 2 pieces of sectional furniture.